to the big bank holiday barbecue bash. Now look outside today and I'm sure you'll agree it's miserable like it's been for the last bloody 3 months. But I guarantee you, I've had a word with the big man upstairs, the good weather is coming. 2% chance of rain. Everybody on this planet is dying for a barbecue. So trust me on this, I've gone through the card for you, I've pulled one out of the bag. This is a blinding pack. You're getting 10 quarter-pound dry-aged steak burgers. You're getting 10 Bennett McPatty burgers. That's like a sausage meat, like cross with McDonald's, beautiful on a barbecue. Or 10 lamb and mint burgers. So it's lamb and mint or steak with your Bennett's McPatties. You're getting 6 barbecue pork steaks, 20 chicken skewers, peri peri and tandoori flavour. You're getting 10 lamb chops, plain or minted. I've left some plain for Granny. You know when she comes, don't like all flavoured, that's for her. You're getting 5 top rump steaks, 5 same steak in an Alabama glaze. You're getting 6 extra meaty Chinese ribs. You're getting 12 foot long sausages, pulled barbecue flavour or hot chili flavour. If you don't want them, you can have pork or Cumberland. Now this pack, I'll see you through bank holiday, no problem whatsoever. Trust me on this, the weather's coming. If you order for Friday delivery, the delivery's on me, free of charge. If you want it delivering on Saturday, it's standard rates because we get charged double. There's nothing I can do about it, I'm just being straight with you. Now, I'm going to enjoy the weekend. I'm going to have some local beer. Anybody who orders first 12 gets a bottle of that in it too. Enjoy your weekend and get yourself into this pack.